What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. So if you checked out my last video, y'all saw where I done the riser install for the thrashing risers. I used Magnum shielding cables and brake lines, and Gorilla Cables hooked me up with the wiring extensions for the bike. So done all that. It was a long day. I've not done risers and all like this before on these type of bikes, but I tried to cut the video down as much as I could so that everyone would be able to check it out and have a good understanding of what I had to do. So I did take a lot of stuff out of it, and it did take me all day, but a lot of that was because I had other things going on that I was working on. So with saying that, I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the bike so y'all can see what it looks like without the mini fairing on it. And then this video is really about the fairing install, what I'm putting on it. So I have all that here, and I will start that install here shortly, and I will show everyone what it looks like after with the fairing install. But I did want to just do a quick little walk around of the bike and just let everyone know what it looks like. So here it is. So if you see, the thrashing risers is on 9.5 inch pullback. I have the thrashing gauge pod relocation. I am running the stock bars. I went with Magnum shielding. This is their clutch cable. I ended up using Gorilla cables. Electrical extensions, you can't see them. I did put some wire loom over them, as you can tell, just to clean it up. So that turned out really nice. Did use Magnum shielding brake line, so as you can see, that's what that looks like. Went down here both sides, but just as a video, you can kind of see what it looks like. So right now, again, I don't have the fairing on the front, but I'm going to get the tripod and all set up, and then I'll show you what the install looks like. Stick around, everyone. If you would, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to start this install for y'all now. All right, so the first thing we got to do is remove the headlight. So what you do on this part, this bracket's here, y'all might be able to tell some of y'all. This will go in here once I put the light in. Here's the bracket that I have. The way these work, they go, this little part right here goes to the front. So they go on like this, right? So this slides up in here, however your bike, however it gets in there, and then you put your screw through there. So this one looks like it's going to go here. this has to be about 2 inches apart. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put them on here snug. I'll set my piece in right here. I'll pull it up and adjust it and get the fit right on that side. And I am using this last, or the next to the last one. So it's the 1, 2, the third groove in right there. I've got them snug down a little bit, not super snug, but I will end up tightening them up. On this one, these brackets, or these plugs right here, the nuts in there, these are metal, so you can tighten them up a little bit more. The ones for the shield itself are all plastic, and they do not, they tell you do not use tools on them, do it hand tight. So I'm gonna get the camera set back up and we'll go over there and check the install on this. So as you look right there, have the headlight in, got that on. So now I'm going to pull it back off. I'm going to go ahead and put the windshield on. Ran into a little dilemma here. When I ordered all my parts, Memphis Shades did not send the plastic little nuts and bolts that actually mount your windscreen to your fairing. So I've searched everywhere just to make sure it wasn't my fault. So I ended up talking with RevZilla. They are in the process of sending me out the parts, but that part of the install, I guess I'll have to figure out later. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the ring. I believe that I now have all the parts to finish the install of this fairing. bike with a fairing on it. I went with a Memphis Road Warrior, as you can tell, and it looks really nice on the bike. It's got the 11-inch windshield on it. I'm going to try that out. 6'1", I do sit quite a bit up over this, so all this is hitting me probably right there in the sternum. The wind, or the height of it, is probably right there around my sternum area. So hopefully I'm not going to get any buffeting with this. If I do, I'll try. I've heard going lower for taller people is better than going higher. But anyway, that's the Memphis Road Warrior on the bike. And if you would, please like, subscribe, keep an eye out for the new videos dropping. There's still quite a few things I'm going to do, and I'll talk about all that in the next video. All right, everyone, if you would, again, please like, subscribe, and hope everyone has a blessed day.